Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel, Car Doctor for you. This is Opel Antara 2.4 liter gasoline. It's 104,000 kilometers on it. This car has problem. The engine warning lights pop up in the dashboard. First things I gonna do, I connect my diagnostic tool to see what's the problem. Scan for the fault code, and the code is P0030. Heater control circuit bank 1 sensor 1, heater resistance bank 1 sensor 1, and the third code P0135, heater performance bank 1 sensor 1. It means that the oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1 is not working properly. I'm gonna buy an oxygen sensor and replace it, and after that we will see what happened. New oxygen sensor for this car. I'm going to replace this oxygen sensor and let's see if it works and solve the problem or not. Open the hood, disconnect the battery negative terminal. You need 10mm socket. Then remove the air filter housing and air flex pipe to have access to the oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1 is located here on the exhaust manifold. You need the 7mm socket to remove the air flex pipe. Just simply remove it. Then don't forget to remove this breather hose. Just simply remove it from top side. Just push it up, and from downside here's another clamp, 7mm. This hose connect air filter housing to the throttle body. Just lose it, push it up, and remove it. Now remove the engine top cover. First open the oil filler cap. Remove the cover. Now we have access to oxygen sensor bank 1. So to open the oxygen sensor bank 1, first remove the support bracket for air filter housing. Here's two 10mm screw. That's the bracket. Now you have access to the oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1. Disconnect the harness and open it. You need this toolkit for different sensors, and for this car I use this one, 22mm. Put the tool on. Just turn it with hand and remove it. This is the old oxygen sensor. In this sensor, the heating element was not working. And let's compare it with the new one. This is the new one. The size is small, but it doesn't matter. The thread should be the same. The thread should be the same. The wire and socket should be the same. Okay, same. And the port number. This is a aftermarket oxygen sensor, and this is the original one from the factory. Let's put back it in the engine. Just screw it with hand. Put the special tool. It's okay. New oxygen sensor is on. Screw back the bracket. Now tighten it with the wrench. Here is a clip, a pin. Clip it here to the bracket and connect the harness. You put back the engine top cover. Again, unscrew the oil filler cap. Put back the engine top cover. Screw the oil filler cap back and put back the air housing. Make sure to align the hose, air hose with the throttle body. Just push it. And for the front, also push it to the clip and secure it. Put back the air flex pipe. Make sure it's connected properly. Put the beacon pipe. Push it all the way. And now you need 7mm socket. Put the clamps. And also don't forget to tighten this clip to the throttle body. Secure it. Plug in the negative terminal battery again. Check everything. You don't miss any tools, any things here. Close the hood. And let's go and start the engine. Still we have engine warning lights in the dashboard because the fault code is stored. Just we erase it, we clean the code. So I erased the fault code. Guys, I don't have engine warning lights. Let's go for a test drive. If it comes back, I don't know. Happy customer.
Very good.
Are you happy
Very good
with
job.
your car?
Yes.